What's up everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to get free cash on your phone up to 4,000 naira at once. You can do it multiple times, but it works on only Android phones. It doesn't work on an iPhone. Let's get started. So now I'll be telling you mainly about the app. It is Opera Mini app. Most people have Opera Mini apps before. It is a browsing app. You use it on your phone, but this period they are giving out free cash and airtime and other gifts for every user. Only works on Android. It doesn't work on an iPhone, please. So once you install your Opera Mini app, if you didn't have it before, if you have it before, you can just update it on Google Play Store. You tap on the icon at the bottom right hand corner. Once you tap on it, you'll see an option on the fourth place. You see shake and win. That is where you need to tap. I'll be showing you proofs at the end of this video. People who have made it, who have gotten the cash on my group for free. That is why I keep telling you to join my WhatsApp group. This trick has been on for days now. I just have the time to do this video today. So once you do that, you tap on enter. Once you tap on enter, okay, I still have 5 minutes to the next spin. Okay, I'll stop this now and come back after 5 minutes. Okay, now here we are. 5 minutes is complete. So I tap on enter again, but this time I do not have any restrictions. As you can see now, they ask me to shake. Let me shake and see what I'll get. You can get up to 4,000 naira in cash. You can even win a phone. Let me see what I'll get. Okay, I got a Techno Spark 90, but this is what you need to know. For bigger prices, you need to spin them 6 times. Like, I need to spin 6 times and get this Techno Spark 90 before I can claim it. As you can see, I've spun 3 times. I've spun 3 times, remaining 3 more for me. If I'm lucky to get it in 3 more spins, I will claim it. But for the 2,000 naira cash, you only need to spin once. For 2,000 naira cash, 200 naira airtime, 500 naira airtime, you need to spin them once. Once you spin them once, you can claim them once, and 1,000 naira cash too. These are the prices available on the Opera. As you can see, there are a lot of prices there. I have a lot in progress. So now I'll be showing you the proofs of my members. This is one of the members, got 2,000 naira on just one spin. 2,000 naira is just one spin. This is another member, and this is another member, 2,000, just one spin. You get it on just one spin. This is 1,000 naira. This is one spin as well, not 6. As you can see, this person 2,000 naira, a lot of 2,000 naira. Okay, this person, I think 2,000 naira too. This is 4,000 naira on just one spin. So I want you to just do the update and check the description below for my WhatsApp group link. Please join the group, as this will help you, because I post immediately I get them. So I want to say a big thank you for watching the video. If there is anything other thing you need to know, check the description box and join my WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching.